We're continuing our Everything Taco Bell series here with the quesadillas. Chicken and steak. Yep. If you want cheese, don't put chicken or steak in it. There you go. Thanks for watching. And no, I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you actually how to make these. There's kind of a trick to it. This is a little bit better than the way they do it. They're a little skippy with the cheese, so you can do this either way you want to. But I'm going to show you exactly the sauce that goes in here and, you know, a couple other bonus tips as we go. But, yeah, we're going to make this. I have shown you how to make the meat already. If you haven't seen that video, Taco Bell Copycats playlist in the bottom of the homepage of the channel, YouTube channel thing, is the Taco Bell Copycats playlist. Find that there. All of the Taco Bell videos are listed in there to help organize it and make it easier to find. And right now, we're going to find out how to make these. So let's get started. Let's get started by making the chicken quesadilla first. You saw how I made the chicken in the Taco Bell grilled chicken video. I'm assuming you saw that one already. You didn't? Okay, fine. Up above, there's a link that'll show you exactly how to make that. And then when you come back, you'll be ready to start with this one. But yeah, I basically just cooked up the chicken, stuck it in the fridge, waiting for when I was going to need it. Cut off a few pieces here, and this is our quesadilla. It's perfect right here. Just break it up a little bit smaller so it's a little easier to eat. Now, the secrets to this are basically the cheese blend here. They use a 3-cheese blend that's a secret. The secret is it's actually 4 cheeses. So we're using this packaged Mexican-style 4-cheese blend. I always say don't do that because the cellulose and the starches that they put on it to keep from sticking, but this is what they do, so this is what we're doing. We also have our creamy jalapeno sauce that you saw me make. It's super simple to make and amazing. It's called the Magic Pink Sauce for a reason. Now we're just going to put our chicken on 1/2 of this tortilla. And again, this is the 10-inch burrito size tortilla here. So we're going to need a 12-inch pan because the 12 inches is at the lip, not at the base. And we want this to lay flat, so you have to have the right size pan. The way that they cook these and actually grill these up, the big press thing that they have, it's kind of like a flat panini press thing, is seasoned pretty well, so it has a little bit of oil to it. It's perfect. So we're just gonna add a little butter. If you're trying to do this vegan ways, please don't put chicken in it and just use a little bit of oil. I would not use olive oil, but yeah, just a little neutral oil is perfect. When this melts right there, we're doing this over a medium lowish heat so that we don't burn this. That is perfect. Fold it in half and we are ready to pull this out. Our chicken quesadilla is done. It's amazing. Doesn't that look good? Tell me how good that looks. Leave me a comment. All right. This is perfect. I'm going to show you how to cut this. They cut it in a very specific way, and that makes it easy to eat. You see, you leave the little hook there on the folded side, and that makes it easy to eat. It's a piece of cake. Now we're going to do the steak quesadilla. You saw me make the steak, right? Okay. I'll put that link up there, too, and you can look at that, and this is how you make that. They put a few things in this to make it extra beefy. In their steak, and so I'm adding some A1. I've tried a few different things, and this gives a really great flavor. The little bit of spiciness from the chili powder that's on the steak in that, it's really yummy. So give that a whirl. I know it sounds weird, but it really does work. Again, we're going with our cheese. We're going to lay down a good amount. They always put the meat down first and then the cheese on top of it. I like it this way, and it turns out way better. So please do it this way. I don't know why they don't. But, yeah, put the cheese down, put more of our magic pink sauce, the creamy jalapeno sauce. Squirt that on there pretty good. They use a good amount because it's delicious. Now, if you were wanting to do this without the steak or the chicken, you would basically just leave the tortilla, the quesadilla like that. You wouldn't put any meat in it, and that's how you make a cheese quesadilla, basically. You put the cheese down, you put the sauce down, and then you just brown it up in the pan. Again, we're putting it back into our 12-inch skillet here. We're going to add a little bit more butter because we soaked up most of it on the last one. And basically, this is just a rinse and repeat sort of thing. Put the quesadilla in, brown it up. You put the lid on it, wait till the cheese melts, fold it, and cut it. And that is essentially how easy it is to reproduce the Taco Bell quesadillas. And there you have the chicken and steak quesadillas. Now, you know they cut these things in a weird way. They cut them actually in the package with a blunt knife. That's why they don't cut all the way through. I have a sharp knife and I don't have one of those fancy packages, but this to do this the right way. Do that. Now you come in just enough that you leave a little tab here and you cut it like that. So come in 3/4 of an inch, something like that. Boom. And now you get the perfect quesadilla pieces. That's how you make their quesadillas. If you want to do this in cheese, just leave the meat out. Otherwise, it's identical. This is the secret magic pink sauce, the creamy jalapeno sauce. It's not the chipotle sauce. This is the magic sauce. Make lots of this sauce. Carry it, cherish it. Name your children jalapeno. Because this stuff's good. This stuff's amazing. You're going to love this. And that's what makes their quesadillas so delectable. The one difference that you, as you saw, you have to do is put a little bit of butter in there because the tortillas, they, you know, their thing is seasoned well. It's got a little oil on it a little bit. So this is as close as you can get to duplicating that with the equipment you have at home. And that's the quesadillas. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. So until then, have a good one.